Here's how to create a product or service in Wave step by step. Begin by logging into your Wave account. Once you are signed in, look to the left-hand menu to find the area where product and service records are managed. In that menu, click Sales and Payments, then select Products and Services. This opens the section where you can view existing items and add a new one. From the Products and Services page, click Add a product or service. A form will open where you can enter the details for the item you want to create. Take a moment to look over the fields on the page before entering anything, so you can move through them in order and review them clearly before saving. Start with the Name field. Enter the name of the product or service exactly as you want it to appear in Wave. This is the label that will help identify the item later, so use the wording that fits your records and the way you want the item displayed when you use it. Next, enter a description if you want to include one. This field is optional, so you can leave it blank if no extra detail is needed. If you do add a description, keep it aligned with the product or service you are creating so the record stays clear when you return to it later. After that, move to the price field and enter the amount for the product or service. Check the value carefully before continuing, since this is one of the key details attached to the item. If you are entering several items around the same time, this is a good point to make sure the price matches the specific record you are creating. You will then choose whether the item is something you sell, something you buy, or both. Select Sell this and/or Buy this as needed for the way this product or service is used in your Wave account. Make sure those selections reflect the purpose of the item, since that setting affects how it is categorized in your records. If sales tax applies, go to the Sales Tax option and choose the appropriate tax setting for this product or service. If tax does not apply, leave it according to what fits your setup. This is another detail worth checking closely, especially if different products or services in your account use different tax rules. Before saving, review the full set of details on the form. Confirm the name, description if included, price, sell and buy selections, and any sales tax setting. This final check helps make sure the record matches what you intended to enter. When everything looks correct, click Save. Wave will store the new item in your products and services list, so it is available in your account going forward. Your new product or service is now created and saved in Wave.